27th. At Charlotte Douglas International Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 50 degrees, the dew point 43, and the relative humidity 70. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXL-70's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL-70, broadcasting near Charlotte, on a frequency of 162.475 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards WXL-70 broadcasting from a tower on Spencer Mountain in Renlo, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.475 MHz. This transmitter is serving the Piedmont of the Carolinas. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary for yesterday, January 26, 2016. Yesterday's high temperature of 58 degrees occurred at 3:52 p.m. The record high is 75 degrees. Yesterday's low temperature of 30 occurred at 4:31 a.m. The record low is 8 degrees. The average temperature was 44 degrees. The normal average is 41. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 2.23 inches. This is 0.65 inches below the normal amount of 2.88 inches for January. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 2.23 inches, which is 0.65 inches below normal. There were 21 heating degree days yesterday, which is 3 below normal. This brings the monthly total to 685, which is 37 above normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 1,452, which is 533 below normal. The normal high temperature for today is 52 degrees, and the normal low is 30. The record high for today is 75, which occurred in 1890, and the record low is 6, which occurred in 1940. Sunrise today is at 7:27 a.m. and sunset is at 5:47 p.m. These are the 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time observations for the Charlotte metropolitan area on Wednesday, January 27th. At Charlotte Douglas International Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 50 degrees, the dew point 43, and the relative humidity 77%. The wind was north at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.12 inches and rising. At Gastonia, it was cloudy. The temperature was 50 degrees. At Monroe, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 52 degrees. At Rock Hill, it was cloudy. The temperature was 51 degrees. Elsewhere in North Carolina, at Statesville, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 44. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 46 at Hickory and 44 at Greensboro. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 45 at Shelby, 47 at Raleigh-Durham, 53 at Fayetteville, 60 at Wilmington, and 34 at Asheville. In South Carolina,